Series calling out the contractor has a major update tonight. The Virginia contractor, who families say took their money and did not finish the work, went before a judge this afternoon. He's facing criminal charges that, if convicted, could land him in prison. Our Larry Miller is in front of the Fairfax County Circuit Courthouse with tonight's update. Larry.
Lorenzo, good evening. The proceedings today focused on Richard Craig Tatlock and the 6 criminal charges that he's facing, which include 1 count of obtaining money by false pretense and 5 for advance pay and larceny for failure to perform construction. Now, we waited outside of the courthouse to speak with Tatlock, but once he saw our camera waiting for him, he went back through security and out an obscure door from the building. Now, no cameras were allowed in the courtroom, but we were there listening to the 10-minute hearing. Lawyers on both sides asked for a continuance to give them more time to prepare. Alleged victims of Tatlock who gathered inside the courtroom to watch the proceedings today say they were comforted by the number of families who showed up for the preliminary hearing. I wonder if seeing the other families there represented today provides you with some support as you work through this legal process now.
Well, everyone was supportive, and unfortunately really majority of all of them have gone through worse hardship than I have, because some of these families are the ones that have given up over $200,000-$300,000.
I wasn't as anxious about it as I thought I would be, because I was so comforted to see all the families there together tonight.
All sides are due back in court on April the 30th at 9:30 in the morning. At that time, we expect to hear from these families as they will make their plea and testify before the court. Coming up tonight on the news at 11, you're going to hear from more of those families, including what Tatlock told us last summer about the allegations. We're live in Fairfax County. Larry Miller, WUSA 9.
Okay, we will meet you back here tonight at 11. Larry, thank you.